Love at first sight, when I looked in those eyes all those years ago. Trips to Virginia so grandma could meet ya, to starting a family of our own. A few years later, a couple hairs grayer, you're still my favorite one to hold. Coffee and red wine, and turning down invites to spend an evening on our own. Like a firework in the night city sky on the 4th of July. I'll laugh and I'll cry, I come alive from a love that sleeps inside. 25 years is pretty good, but I think we can do better. I want a couple more chilly nights, cuddled up in our favorite sweaters. These old tires got a few more miles left to drive this coast. Holding your hand, living life's what I come to love the most. And who knows where life will take us, I don't really know. But I got a feeling the best is yet to show. And I kept all the memories stored up in my heart. But there's still room to make some more, like we did at the start. And who knows where life will take us, I don't really know. But I got a feeling that the best is yet to show. And I kept all the memories stored up in my heart. But there's room to make more, like we did from the start. 'Cause 25 years is pretty good, but I think we could do better. I want a couple more chilly nights, cuddled up in our favorite sweaters. These old tires got a few more miles left to drive this coast. Holding your hand, living life is what I come to love the most. What I come to love the most.
come sushi, le encanta el Gucci. Tal vez no es para mí, pero no me importa. Ella a mí me aporta. La mujer que quiero yo me la quedo, la llevo a la costa. Ando detrás tuyo a ver si se me da, rezándole a Diosito por una oportunidad. Mami, yo sé que es lo tuyo, tienes curiosidad de probar algo conmigo. Vamos, dime la verdad. Y si pasamos una noche en la playita de Rincón, no habrá sol, pero sí arena, mucho amor y licor. Su piel morena y sus ojos cuando mira al sol me tienen loco, me tienen loco. ¿Cómo convenzo a la nena? ¿Qué hago pa' que ella me entienda y sepa que yo siempre voy a estar aquí, my girl, yeah? Ando detrás tuyo a ver si se me da, rezándole a Diosito por una oportunidad. Mami, yo sé que es lo tuyo, tienes curiosidad de probar algo conmigo. Vamos, dime la verdad. Ando detrás tuyo a ver si se me da, rezándole a Diosito por una oportunidad. Mami, yo sé que es lo tuyo, tienes curiosidad de probar algo conmigo. Vamos, dime la verdad.
We don't need no one. Say so, I'll take you to Mars. It's worth it, see it in the stars. I'ma do it, keep you warm next to me. Ooh, get it going. We don't need no one. Say so. Take you to Mars. It's worth. I see it in the stars. I'ma do it. Keep you warm next to me.